Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. So, this video is from AP Precalculus and from the topic of exponential function. Let's dive into it. The exponential function f of x is given as a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x values are increasing. The y values are 3, 6, 12, 24, and 48. These are also increasing. So they're both increasing. So there must be a growth function. So we can go ahead and eliminate the choice B and C because they are decay. So the answer is either A or D now. So let's find the values. I'm going to use the first data. F0 is a times b to the power of 0 is given as 3. So a times 1 is 3. So a is 3 then. So for the value of b, we'll use just f1. So f1 is, so a is 3. 3 times b to the power of 1 is 6. So b is 6 divided by 3 is 2. So b is greater than 1. Therefore, the correct answer is choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.